Mastering English phrases. Understanding, front up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss, front up. This is a phrase you might come across in different contexts, and it can have various meanings. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of how and when to use front up in English conversations. So, let's dive in. When we break down the phrase, front up, it literally means to face something directly or be in the front of something. For example, if you front up to a building, you are standing right in front of it. However, front up is often used in a more metaphorical sense. In informal English, especially in Australian and British English, front up can mean to appear or show up somewhere. For instance, if someone says, "He didn't front up to the meeting," it means he didn't show up or attend the meeting. Another common usage is when front up means to confess or admit something. For example, if someone says, "It's time to front up to your mistakes," they are saying it's time to admit and take responsibility for your mistakes. Now, let's look at how to use front up in sentences. To appear or show up. Even though it was raining heavily, she fronted up to her friend's wedding. To confess or admit something. After the evidence was presented, he had no choice but to front up to his actions. As you can see, the context in which front up is used plays a crucial role in understanding its meaning. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, front up. I hope this video has clarified how and when to use this phrase in English. Remember, understanding the context is key to grasping its meaning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!